Imagine a clear night sky, a canvas of infinite darkness dotted with shimmering stars. Stars twinkle like celestial fireflies, each one a distant sun, a beacon of light in the vast expanse of space. But tonight, something is different. The familiar serenity of the night sky is disrupted by an unusual sight. Two cosmic wanderers, an asteroid and a comet, are hurtling towards Earth, their paths set on a collision course with our planet. One, a massive asteroid, a hulking behemoth of rock and metal, moves with a silent menace. The other, a magnificent comet, a ghostly apparition with a tail blazing across the cosmos, captivates with its ethereal beauty. Both are on a collision course with our planet, each carrying the potential for catastrophic impact. Both hold the power to unleash unimaginable destruction, altering the course of life on Earth forever. The asteroid, a silent stalker from the depths of space, hurtles towards Earth with the force of 1,000 suns, its trajectory unwavering. Its surface, scarred and cratered, tells tales of ancient cosmic collisions, each mark a testament to its violent past. This celestial leviathan, cold and lifeless, carries the potential to end life as we know it, a harbinger of doom. Meanwhile, the comet, a cosmic voyager from the frozen outskirts of our solar system, blazes a trail of ice and dust, a spectacle of nature's raw power. Its ethereal glow, a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's raw power, belies its potential for devastation, a beautiful yet deadly visitor. Unlike the asteroid, the comet is a harbinger of both beauty and destruction, a duality that fascinates and terrifies. Which of these celestial wanderers poses the greater threat to our planet? Is it the cold, unyielding asteroid, or the fiery, unpredictable comet? To answer this question, we must delve into the heart of these cosmic entities, unraveling their secrets and understanding their potential for chaos. By studying their composition, trajectories, and histories, we can better prepare for the threats they pose and perhaps find ways to mitigate their impact. Asteroids and comets, celestial nomads wandering the vast expanse of space, are among the most fascinating objects in our solar system. These ancient travelers have been journeying through the cosmos for billions of years, carrying with them the history of our solar system's formation. They are remnants from the dawn of our solar system, offering a glimpse into the processes that shape the planets and moons we see today. Forged in the fiery crucible of the early sun, these celestial bodies are like time capsules, preserving the conditions and materials from the era of planetary formation. They hold clues to the origins of our planet and the secrets of the cosmos, providing invaluable information to scientists and researchers. Asteroids, often dubbed minor planets, are rocky, airless remnants left over from the formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. These objects are primarily found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They are composed of rock, metal, and sometimes organic compounds, and their study can reveal much about the early solar system's conditions. These cosmic wanderers, primarily composed of rock, metal, and sometimes organic compounds, range in size from small boulders to dwarf planets hundreds of kilometers in diameter. Some asteroids are even large enough to have their own moons. Their surfaces, scarred by countless impacts, tell tales of a violent and chaotic past, marked by collisions and interactions with other celestial bodies. These impact craters are like the pages of a history book, each one telling a story of a collision that occurred millions or even billions of years ago. The study of these craters helps scientists understand the frequency and scale of impacts in the early solar system. Comets, on the other hand, are icy bodies, often described as dirty snowballs. They are composed of ice, dust, and rocky materials, and they originate from the frigid outer regions of our solar system, beyond the orbit of Neptune. These icy wanderers are believed to come from two main regions, the Kuiper Belt, which lies just beyond Neptune, and the distant Oort cloud, which is a spherical shell surrounding the solar system. As they approach the sun, their icy surfaces begin to vaporize, creating a glowing halo called a coma, and a tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. This process, known as outgassing, is what gives comets their distinctive appearance. The tails of comets always point away from the sun, pushed by the solar wind and radiation pressure. This creates a spectacular display that can be seen from Earth. While both asteroids and comets pose a potential threat to Earth, their differences in composition, size, and speed dictate the nature and magnitude of the danger they present. Asteroids, being rocky and metallic, can cause significant damage upon impact, while comets, with their icy compositions, can also pose a threat, especially if they are large and fast-moving. Understanding these differences is crucial in our quest to predict and potentially mitigate the risks they pose to our planet. Scientists use a variety of tools and techniques to track and study these celestial bodies, from ground-based telescopes to space missions that visit and even sample them. By studying asteroids and comets, we not only learn about the history of our solar system, but also gain insights that could one day protect our planet from potential impacts. The ongoing research and exploration of these fascinating objects continue to unveil the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood, reminding us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies a region teeming with celestial wanderers, the asteroid belt. This vast expanse is a treasure trove of cosmic history, offering a glimpse into the early days of our solar system. This cosmic junkyard, a graveyard of shattered planetary dreams, holds millions of asteroids, each one a silent witness to the violent and chaotic processes that shaped our solar system. These asteroids are remnants from the early solar system that never coalesced into planets. They are like time capsules, preserving the conditions and materials from billions of years ago. Imagine a vast donut-shaped ring encircling the Sun, populated by countless rocky bodies, ranging in size from tiny pebbles to massive dwarf planets. This is the asteroid belt, a region that stretches over hundreds of millions of kilometers. This is a region of intense gravitational interplay, where collisions are commonplace. These collisions can shatter asteroids into smaller fragments or cause them to merge into larger bodies. The asteroids here, remnants of a failed planet, bear witness to the chaotic birth of our solar system. They are the building blocks that never quite made it into a full-fledged planet. These rocky denizens of the asteroid belt are on the move, constantly nudged by the gravitational pull of Jupiter and other planets. This gravitational dance keeps the asteroid belt in a state of dynamic equilibrium. Most reside in stable orbits, but some, influenced by collisions or gravitational interactions, can be flung into the inner solar system. These wandering asteroids can sometimes cross paths with Earth, putting them on a potential collision course with Earth. These rogue asteroids are a reminder of the ever-present dangers lurking in space. While the vast majority of asteroids in the belt pose no threat to Earth, the few that do venture into our neighborhood have the potential to cause significant damage, depending on their size and speed. The impact of such an event could be catastrophic, depending on their size and speed. Large asteroids traveling at high velocities can release enormous amounts of energy upon impact, leading to widespread destruction. Tracking these celestial wanderers and understanding their trajectories is crucial for safeguarding our planet from these rocky visitors from the dawn of time. Scientists around the world are constantly monitoring the skies, using advanced technology to predict and prevent potential asteroid impacts. Comets, icy messengers from the outer reaches of our solar system, have captivated and terrified humans for millennia. These celestial wanderers, with their glowing comas and ethereal tails, are a testament to the raw beauty and power of the cosmos. Imagine a celestial visitor, a ball of ice and dust plunging towards the Sun from the frigid depths of space. As it approaches our star, the Sun's heat begins to vaporize its icy surface, creating a glowing halo of gas and dust called a coma. This coma, often spanning thousands of kilometers, envelops the comet's nucleus, giving it a ghostly, ethereal appearance. As the comet continues its journey around the Sun, the solar wind pushes the gas and dust from the coma into a long, flowing tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. This tail, illuminated by the Sun, paints a mesmerizing spectacle across the night sky, captivating observers with its ethereal beauty. But behind this celestial beauty lies a hidden danger. Comets, with their unpredictable orbits and high speeds, can pose a significant threat to Earth. Their impacts, though rare, can be catastrophic, unleashing unimaginable energy and wreaking havoc on a global scale.